this one here for now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is open up my back table. You'll have to pop the tape on these and figure out which way it goes. When you're opening up your back table, you have to make sure that you keep everything sterile, so you want to touch down here at the sides when you first do this. You'll pull back, and then walk to the other side and do the same thing. You don't want to lean over the sterile area, so when you pull out, just pull it out and let it drop, okay? For those of you that have OCD, if it's all weird, you have to leave it the way it is, because once you've opened it, this is the sterile area now. When you're opening your basin, you're going to open it away, to the side, to the other side, and then out like that. And that creates the sterile field inside the basin. So on the basin, the only area that is sterile is the actual top and inside the basin itself. All of this down here is no longer sterile because it's below table level. Normally you wouldn't move all the stuff around, but since you're videotaping, it makes it easier to see. So same thing with the instruments. You're going to open it. And then that area is sterile. If you have to move something after that, go underneath the sterile wrapper. Make sure you don't lean over it. And then just put it back wherever you want it to go. So then, open up the keyholes here. Most of us have these fun pockets, and that's where we keep most of our supplies if we're opening them. Or you can leave them on the back table. When it says to guard your sterile field assertively, then you want to make sure that if there's people coming in and out, which happens when you're setting up, that they're not too close to your sterile field to where they could possibly contaminate it. I mean, you know, don't be horribly rude, but if they continue to get close to it, then definitely say something. In the event that that happens, as you guys may remember when you were opening supplies, then just get another one. Don't pick that up and put it back on the table. Obviously, that would be contaminated. But remember when we're doing our lab final, that if that happens, that is not a contamination if it falls off the table, unless it bounces off the wall and comes back on the table. Then it's a contamination. If it just falls on the floor, it can be replaced, and it hasn't contaminated anything because it didn't come back and hit it again. So, in the event that that happened, you would come on a new one and hope that this one opens. And that's all you have to do. That's it for the whole second skill set. So it's